Hey guys, today I'll show you how to change the language in Project Zomboid. First, launch the game and go to the main menu. From there, open Options. This is where most playable settings are controlled. In the Options menu, scroll down until you see the language setting. It's typically near the bottom. Use the drop-down list to pick the language you want, such as English, French, Spanish, German, or etc. After selecting your language, click Apply or Accept if prompted. You may need to restart a game for all text changes to fully take effect. Always check that the language you chose appears correctly in menus and gameplay text. This ensures the change really took effect. If the language doesn't stick or only shows one option, make sure your Steam language is set to your preferred language, since some users have found that Project Zomboid will mirror Steam's interface language settings. And that's how you change the language in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.